cos a minus b, cos a minus b, cos a minus b, cos cos sin sin, cos cos sin sin. Minus become plus, plus become minus, and sin a minus b, sin a minus b, sin a cos b, cos a sin b. Minus will remain as minus, and plus will remain as plus. 3 10 3 10 13 4 17 10 by 17 है आंसर. Look, फटाक से आंसर आ गया आपका 2 स्टेप में. Hello everyone. Last lecture I have cleared all doubts of differentiation. Look, the differentiation topic is not yet over. There are numerous, amazing, never seen shortcuts that nobody knows. But the topic has lots of application. My ultimate motive is my videos must reach to all students of 12th standard throughout the Maharashtra. Now, today I am going to start limits. Very important topic. Limits and continuity and differentiation. These three are interlinked topics. So, let us learn the concepts and amazing shortcuts for limits. Look, just now my focus is on MSTCD. Otherwise, I can teach you unbelievable shortcuts of JEE Main and even IIT Advanced. One and only one motive. The videos must reach to all students. Okay, let us start. Now, your 11th standard portion limits has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 parts. Limits using factorization, then trigonometric simple limits, then logarithmic limits, exponential type limits, formula based limits, limits using substitution, infinity type limits. Look, this part is omitted from MSTCD syllabus because it is mentioned in 11th standard omitted portion. This part will not be there. But still, there are a number of students who will appear for JEE Main. So, even I will teach you some simple shortcuts for this type of limits. Then finally, we have limits of special function. Means GIF and modulus function, and there are more functions. This type of sums. Now, let us see the first type, limits using factorization, and few more important types which oftenly come in MSTCT or any competitive exams. Okay, look here. Limits using factorization. Simple. So most of the sum of limit are of the type 0 by 0. You cannot put the value directly because when you put 2, your denominator becomes 0. So look, we can factorize. Limit x tend to 2, x minus 2, x plus 2. Cancelling the common factor because x tend to 2 means x is not equal to 2. So we can cancel the common factor. And now put 2. What? Put 2. So 2 plus 2. The answer is 4. Simple limit. Everyone is happy. Wow, wow, wow. Second. Limit x 10 to 3 x cube minus 27 x minus 3. Again, we cannot substitute a value of limit directly as denominator will tend to 0. So what we do? We'll factorize. Look, it is already a cube minus b cube. A minus b bracket a square plus ab plus b square. So that will be x minus 3 x square plus 3x plus 9. Cut. Now, once the common factor is eliminated, now we can apply the limit. So applying the limit value 3, so we have 9 plus 9 plus 9. So that is 27. Again, we are very happy. But then this type of sum you can do directly. Now, suppose you have this type of expression, cubic or higher polynomial equation. So we are not able to factorize directly. So in this type of sum, what we do? We know when we apply the value directly, numerator and denominator both tend to 0. That means x minus 1 is guaranteed one of the factors of both numerator and denominator. So what we do is this. We use synthetic division for numerator 1. Now synthetic division that you have studied in 809 standard. 1, 2, 3, minus 6. First term you have to keep as it is. Multiply, cross multiply. 0 always. Therefore, the factors of numerator are x minus 1, 1, 2, 3, 3 terms. X square plus 3x plus 6. Similarly, for denominator, again we use method of synthetic division. Now, coefficient 1, 5, 4, minus 10. 1 will come here. First term we have to keep as it is. Cross multiply 0 always. So therefore the factors of the denominator x minus 1 x square plus 6x plus 10. Now we got factorization of both numerator and denominator, and therefore the limit become x minus 1 x square plus 3x plus 6 upon x minus 1 x square plus 6x plus 10. Cut. Once the common factor eliminate, now substitute. The limit value is 1 square 3 into 1 plus 6, 1 plus 6 into 1 plus 10. So it is 10 upon 17. That is the final answer. Now, very important sum. Limit x tend to pi by 4 cos x minus sin x upon pi by 4 minus x. Look, in this type of sum, you cannot apply the limit value directly because denominator is tending to 0. So you have to use substitution. So always put pi by 4 minus x equal to h. So if h tend to pi by 2, then it will be pi by 2 minus x equal to h. X tend to pi by 3, then it will be pi by 3 minus x equal to h, and so on. And therefore, now your limit become limit x tend to pi by 4. Now limit will change because we have converted x in a new variable h. So as x tend to pi by 4, h will tend to 0. So now your limit become h tend to 0 cos pi by 4 minus h. Look, अब x का वैल्यू कितना हो जाएगा? Pi by 4 minus h. Here also sin x become pi by 4 minus h upon pi by 4 minus x become h. So limit h tend to 0. Now the most important formula, cos a minus b, cos a minus b, cos a minus b, cos sin sin, cos sin sin, minus become plus, plus become minus, and sin a minus b, sin a minus b, sin a cos b, cos a sin b, minus will remain as minus and plus will remain as plus. डेरिवेटिव में भी मैंने बताया था, साइन मतलब सेम साइन, कॉस मतलब उल्टा साइन, cos cos sin sin, cos cos sin sin. So we have cos pi by 4, cos pi by 4 cos h minus sin pi by 4 sin h. But here you know the value of cos pi by 4, so better you directly put the value. What is the value of cos pi by 4? So look, 1 by root 2 cos h, 1 by root 2 sin h, and sin a minus b, sin a cos b, cos a sin b. So what do you have? Sin pi by 4, 1 by root 2, sin a cos b, minus, minus will remain as minus, cos a sin b upon h. So that is limit h tend to 0. So when you open the bracket, what you saw? 1 by root 2 cos h, 1 by root 2 cos h get cancelled. What remain? Look, cos मतलब उल्टा साइन, तो ये प्लस हो जाएगा. So you have to take care here. So look, when you open the bracket, 1 by root 2 cos h, 1 by root 2 cos h get cancelled. So what remain? 1 by root 2 sin h minus minus plus 1 by root 2 sin h upon h. So that is limit h tend to 0. 1 by root 2 sin h, 1 by root 2 sin h is 2 by root 2 sin h upon h. Now this is the most important formula. Limit theta tend to 0, sin theta upon theta is 1. Look, extraordinary formula. Limit theta tend to 0, sin theta upon theta is 1. Now, आप बोलोगे इसमें क्या extraordinary है? ये तो सबको आता है. I will prove कि why the formula is an extraordinary formula. Okay, just now. So we are left with 2 by root 2. 2 by root 2. Look, 2 I can write as root 2 by root 2. Root 2 cut. What remain? Root 2. So answer is root 2. Then one more sum. Very important. Came 5 times in board exam when limit was there in syllabus of 12th standard. But now it is given in syllabus of 11th standard. Still the sum is there in your textbook. So there are high chances the sum will come in MSTCD. So look. Most important sum. Limit x tend to pi by 4, 1 minus tan x, 1 minus root 2 sin x. Most important sum for 11th standard now. Look, यहाँ पे ऐसा टर्म नहीं है पाई बाय 4 माइनस एक्स वगैरह. बहुत स्टूडेंट क्या करते हैं पाई बाय 4 माइनस एक्स को एच डालते हैं, बट यहाँ पे वैसा टर्म नहीं है. दैट मीन्स यू कैन नॉट यूज सब्स्टिट्यूशन. सो look at the denominator. So you have to rationalize. So multiply by the conjugate. So it is 1 plus root 2 sin x. 1 plus root 2 sin x. Conjugate of denominator. So what do you have? 1 minus tan x. 1 minus 2 sin square x. 1 plus root 2 sin x. Look, still we cannot apply the limit directly because numerator becomes 0, denominator becomes 0. वो 0 किसके वजह से आ रहा है? इसके वजह से 1 minus tan x के वजह से. लेकिन बाकी का टर्म साइन कॉस के टर्म में है. दैट मीन्स हमको tan को sin बाय cos लिखना पड़ेगा. एंड I told you first lecture and I have given the formulas. Compound angle formulas are very important. So 1 minus 2 cos square theta is cos 2 theta. So here I can write converting sin and cos. And this I can write cos 2x into 1 plus root 2 sin x. Now, look, still I cannot apply the value because 2 into 45, 90. Cos 90 becomes 0. तो पूरा पार्ट हो जाएगा 0. 0 क्यों आ रहा है? क्योंकि अभी तक कॉमन फैक्टर कैंसिल हुआ नहीं है. फैक्टराइजेशन का मतलब ही क्या होता है? कॉमन फैक्टर कैंसिल होना चाहिए न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर में से. तो नाउ क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई. सो इट इज लिमिट x टेंड टू पाई बाय 4 cos x minus sin x upon cos x. Now you know there are 4 formula of cos 2 theta, very important for derivatives, very important for integration. 1 minus 2 sin square theta, 2 cos square theta minus 1 cos square theta minus sin square theta, and 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. Now numerator is in terms of cos and sin. तो कौन सा टर्म आएगा, कौन सा फॉर्मूला आएगा जो cos sin दोनों में है? कौन सा? cos square x minus sin square x. So this cos 2x I can write as cos square x minus sin square x. And 1 plus root 2 sin x I will keep as it is. So that is limit x tend to pi by 4 cos x minus sin x. And now look, a square minus b square, what is the factor? Cos x minus sin x, cos x plus sin x, 1 plus root 2 sin x. Cancelling the common factor. Now once the common factor eliminates, now I am free to apply the limit. Now I will apply the limit. So when you apply the limit, limit value is pi by 4. So numerator 1 plus root 2 sin 45, 1 by root 2. Cos 45, 1 by root 2. Cos 45, 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2. 2 by root 2. So root 2 cancel. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 by 2 by 2. So answer is 2. Answer is 2. Answer is 2. And then you see, what you see? You are sitting alone in the classroom. You will tell कि सर आपका हेडलाइंस है, हाईलाइट है, एनी सम इन 10, 20, 30 seconds. ये पूरा पकड़ डाला आपने तो. You are solving all sums in 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 10 minutes. And then finally we are sitting alone in the classroom. So look, you must get answer in 10, 20, 30 seconds. Like answer. So here, that is why I have started with derivatives. Now the extraordinary concept. Let us revisit the sums again. Look, let us revisit the sum. First sum. Now you are master of derivatives. You know numerous shortcuts. उसकी जरूरत नहीं है. Simple. Derivative of x square 2x. Derivative of constant 0. Derivative of constant 0. Derivative of x 1. So it is 2x upon 1. मतलब 2x. और x का वैल्यू कितना है? 2. Put 2. The answer is 4. Look, you got the answer in one step only. This is an extraordinary concept known as the L'Hopital rule. बहुत जन होते हैं एल हॉस्पिटल. अरे एल हॉस्पिटल नाम नहीं है उसका. मैंने देखा सिखाते वक्त एल हॉस्पिटल. अरे किसी हॉस्पिटल का नाम नहीं है. It is invented by a famous mathematician, L'Hopital. The L'Hopital rule. The L'Hopital rule is an extraordinary rule. Whenever you have simple algebraic expression or where you can differentiate easily, differentiate numerator with respect to x, differentiate denominator with respect to x, and apply the limit, and you will get answer in one step. Now look how it works fast. Derivative of x square 2x, derivative constant 0, derivative constant 0, derivative of x 1 2x. Concept known as the L'Hopital rule. बहुत जन होते एल हॉस्पिटल. अरे एल हॉस्पिटल नाम नहीं है उसका. मैंने देखा है सिखाते वक्त एल हॉस्पिटल. अरे किसी हॉस्पिटल का नाम नहीं है. इट इज इन्वेंटेड बाय अ फेमस मैथमेटिशियन L'Hopital. The L'Hopital rule. The L'Hopital rule is an extraordinary rule. Whenever you have simple algebraic expression or where you can differentiate easily, differentiate numerator with respect to x, differentiate denominator with respect to x, and apply the limit, and you will get answer in one step. Now look how it works fast. Derivative of x square 2x, derivative constant 0, derivative constant 0, derivative of x 1 2x, x का value 2, put 2 4. Look, एक स्टेप में आंसर आ गया. अरे सर हो सकता है फटाक से आ गया हो. दूसरा सम देखते हैं. दूसरा सम. Look, you got answer in 4-5 step. Derivative of x cube 3x square, derivative constant 0, derivative constant 0, derivative of x 1, तो बचा क्या 3x square. x को 3 डाल दिया, 3 का स्क्वायर 9 3 27. अरे आंसर फटाक से आंसर आ गया एक स्टेप में. Look, 5 सेकंड में आपको आंसर आ रहा है. नहीं सर बाई चांस आया रहेगा. नहीं ना. लो ये बड़ा सम है फैक्टराइजेशन का. इसको तो कितने स्टेप लगे 6-7 मिनट लगा सॉल्व करने में, बट अपने को आंसर क्या चाहिए 10 से 15 सेकंड में. सो लुक डेरिवेटिव्स. लुक हियर. डेरिवेटिव ऑफ x क्यूब. डेरिवेटिव ऑफ x क्यूब इज 3x स्क्वायर. डेरिवेटिव 2x स्क्वायर 4x. Derivative of 3x 3. Derivative of constant 0. Derivative of constant 0. And denominator derivative of 4x 4. Derivative of 5x square 10x. Derivative of x cube 3x square. Now apply the limit value, that is 1. 3 और 4 7 और 3 10. 3 10 13 4 17. 10 by 17 है आंसर. Look फटाक से आंसर आ गया आपका 2 स्टेप में. नहीं सर हो सकता है अलजेब्रिक के लिए हो गया. Now look, for this type of trigonometric sum which take 5-6 minutes every time, if you are master of derivative, you can do this type of sums also very fast. Derivative of cos x minus sin x, derivative of sin x cos x upon derivative of pi by 4 0, derivative of minus x minus 1. So I will take minus sign common, so that is sin x plus cos x. Now I will apply the limit value. Limit value is pi by 4, sin pi by 4, 1 by root 2, cos pi by 4, 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2, root 2. अरे आंसर. एक स्टेप में आंसर आ गया आपका. लोग कितना टाइम लगा? हार्डली 20 seconds, 2 seconds, 5 seconds, 20 seconds. Look, you are able to solve number of sums with a speed of 10-15 seconds. Now, the most famous sum. Look, here you need lots of concept, but if you are master of derivative, even this type of sums you can do very fast. So look, let us see whether it is working here or not. This is the original sum. Derivative 1 0, derivative of tan x sec square x, derivative of 0 minus minus plus root 2 sin x divided root 2 cos x. Applying the limit value, that is 45. Sec 45 root 2 cos square 2, cos 45 1 by root 2, root 2 cancel. Answer is 2. अरे आंसर. Look, फटाक से आंसर आ गया आपको with a range of 10 to 15 seconds. So the L'Hopital rule. What is L'Hopital rule? Differentiate numerator and denominator. It is always 0 by 0 form. तो लोग ये टाइप का कोई भी सम है लिमिट का, फैक्टराइजेशन या फॉर्मूला बेस्ड या सर्च टाइप, जहां पे आपको रैशनलाइज करना पड़े, क्या करना है? सिर्फ ऊपर का डेरिवेटिव नीचे का डेरिवेटिव and then apply the limit value and you'll get the answer. This is a famous rule known as L'Hospital rule, but L is silent, so it is known as the L'Hospital rule. The L'Hospital rule. H is silent, not L. H is silent. It is called the L'Hospital rule. So that's all for today. That's all for today. That's all for today. Look, there are number of amazing things. ये तो सिर्फ शुरुआत है, अभी तो बहुत कुछ दिखाना बाकी है. बट उसके लिए एक ही रिक्वेस्ट है, let these videos must reach to all rural area student also, so that everybody get benefited. Okay, Jai Hind. That's all.